To prepare the flex knee for laundering, remove the kneecap by taking off each of the 4 straps. Remove them through the D-ring and Velcro them back on themselves. This protects the Velcro. Next, loosen all the padding. Pull up the black cuff straps and Velcro back on themselves. Then just peel back the outside layer. You just remove all the Velcro, peel it back. As you do this, just bunch it up and it will fit through the hole that's created where the back of the knee would go. Turn your splint over, just pull it up, and it will come right out. If you need to clean the plastic, just wipe it with a damp cloth. You can use some mild detergent. Don't soak it in harsh chemicals that will affect the plastic. Now just smooth out your padding, and it's ready to be laundered. Refer to the laundry instructions. When it's dry and it's ready to be put back on the splint, make sure your label is at the top. The heavier material goes down into the back of each cuff or into the center, and just push through the thin outside lining and start to straighten it up. Center it and bring the Velcro down, the black Velcro on each end of the splint. Just make sure it's centered. You just eyeball it. And smooth it out. Just go from side to side. Make sure your cuff straps are straight and just smooth the Velcro down. Around each hinge, you're going to fold in the thinner material, and the black will come over to pad the outside of the knob. Then bring your cuff padding around and Velcro the straps in place. You're ready to put your kneecap back on. Open the straps, feed each one through a D-ring. You'll notice the darts that shape the cap are on the sides of the kneecap. This conforms to the patient's knee. Velcro them back in an X on top of the kneecap.